Now things are going to become so complicated. What? In 1927, citing Clause 57 of 1919 Act, a 7-member committee was appointed to review the functioning of diarchy again under leadership of Simon. So it is what called as Simon Commission. Question comes to mind. In the year 1927, the Simon Commission was formed at London. The Simon Commission was formed at London with a 7-member committee. Clear about it? First question, they cited a clause 57 saying that 10-year period. Question comes to our mind. The act was legislated in 1919. 1919 plus 10, 1929. It should form in 1929. And they start implementing from 1921. That is actually called 1931. They start functioning from 1923, 1933. Forgetting all these years. Why? Well, before the scheduled time, 2 years before the appointment committee, the Simon Commission was appointed in London. Why? It was a UPSC question. In prelims, they asked a question. Why? There was a necessity of formation of a review committee of 1919 to recommend the future functioning of a constitution. That's called Government of India Act 1935. Why the government, Stanley Baldwin government, was so hurry in appointing Simon Commission? Now here comes the story. In 1928, they are going for elections. Clear about it? 1928, December, they are going for elections, by the way. That means very clear that the Conservative Party, led by Baldwin government, are very, very worried. If we go for elections, there is a less possibility that we are going to win the election. Why? Because the workers and because of NCM, there was also economic disturbance happened in London. World War situation will disturb a lot. So they may get piled up and will give a weak support to us. Any reform you do in India, because India is a cash cow for them, any reform you do, that is a good vote bank for English there. Especially for the capitalists and also the workers, socialist workers there. So they don't want to give the chance, the Conservative Party, they don't want to give a chance to the future Labour Party, which may come to power and get a credit of getting the reforms done. Are we clear about it? So to make sure that the Baldwin government, what they did, they want to get the opportunity, citing that we initiated a committee. That's why they're very hurry. In 1924, multi-man committee was appointed. Not necessary, but they want to get the attention of the masses. They want to let the people know that, because in 1929, don't get surprised, the world is going to witness the Great Depression. Economic is going to be issues. And from 1924 till 29, if you observe, same like in America, England is also undergoing certain political tensions because of economic crisis, by the way, because of German issue. Coming back here, so the Conservative Party was very smart, so that they want to get a credit of appointing a review committee to decide not only the future of British India, but also all of their colonies. So you can start investing in the capitalist, in the companies by institutions, trusting us. We are going to do it. Clear about it? This is what the major purpose of appointing a Simon Commission well before the dedicated time. Simon Commission formed in 1927, came to India in 1928. Entered in India in 1928. Are we clear about it? When they entered India, and guess what happened? We all Indians gave them bouquet and congratulated them and welcomed them. Yes or no? No. Gandhi called it as what? Whitewash Commission. Whitewash meaning they had a sunnah? No. What does it mean? Not a single Indian representative was there. All the 7 members are English. What is the matter of, what is the concern to us is that till yesterday, you made all the constitutions called the Charter Acts or in the Government of India Act or Indian Council Act with only English representation. When you promised 1919 a responsible government and we start already functioning, why don't you include Indians in the future constitution making? That's why Gandhi, especially in the 1928 Madras session, Ansari presidentship has completely gave a call, that is boycott Simon. That's why in the year 1928, when Simon Commission entered India right from the beginning till they left, by the way, they say all protest in India except Republic Party by Ambedkar. Unionist Party Unionist Party in Punjab, Justice Party in Madras. Remember these names.